Hello folks! Today I would like to introduce new enclosure for our CNC. Katrina, help us to describe all of improvements which we made recently.
This is our first enclosure that we have been actively testing for about a year now. And the first thing that I would like to talk about is the color. It's nice and light. However, as you can see here, there are fingermark prints. It doesn't matter how careful you are. This is production, so they're sort of inevitable. So now we'll go inside and I will show you the metal chips. As you can see, this one is full of them from previous work we've done. And the CNC itself is positioned on the 4 rectangular pieces. So the CNC rests on those pieces. And the last thing for me to show you on this old one is the door. So as you can see right now, we added a piece of plastic here on a little angle. So we've done it because it was impossible to open the door without making a mess on the floor. So the metal chips, exact same one, they were stuck in the bottom of the door, and as soon as you open, you have them on the floor now. But that was added later as we were testing the machine. And now let's go with me, I will show you our new one. The first is the color. In my modest opinion, this color looks better, but it's more practical, and this is more important for our matter. Shouldn't show any fingerprints, or if it will, they won't be as evident as they are on the light color. And if you look inside, you will see that this cabinet is actually deeper compared to our first one. So we added additional 10 centimeters, which is 4 inches. What it does, it gives an additional space. So now the machine positioned inside a little deeper from the door, and this additional space will allow the chips to go down instead of being around of the machine. Another little feature is those 2 metal bulks. So now our CNC is mounted onto 2 bulks. That gives better security. It won't go anywhere, I promise. And our plastic little slope on the door now became metal and built in. That's all for today. Thank you for your time and attention.